hardwood biscuit. We're going to use what they call a biscuit cutter. It cuts slits in the wood where you will glue this and stick it in, and then you will cut another, and then these fit together. So let's go. Inch and 16. You make a mark, because on this biscuit cutter there is a mark here where you use to align. So when you push in, it you know where you're going to push in, because this push and you'll see a blade. See this? This is the blade. Stick it in there,
and then
you'll have another slit here, and it'll go like this. You apply glue here, and then you stick it together and clamp. This is too much. Maybe I need another clamp. You'll have this, which corresponds like this. So it provides a biscuit.
okay. So we need to mark it first before you do the biscuit, right?
Well, before I cut the biscuit.
Okay. That is the center?
That's the center of this piece.
Okay.
Please remember safety. Again, as I push, the blade comes out.
Okay.
So I push in and that blade comes out.
Okay.
This moved. So I ground it down like this.
Okay. Wow. What happened?
Don't take for granted that everything is going to stay the same. This moved. So it ground into the wood.
Okay.
Always make sure that this is at the right angle. And this here is your how deep it is. And again, you have to make sure that it stays locked too. It didn't. So if you look here, compare it to here, I guess it is the same. Yeah, I guess you're right. I'm right. Yeah, it's the same. Okay. Not intentionally, but because this machine has issues with it staying set in a certain height and angle, it can cause issues like this. This end, much like this end, was too wide. So to fill this in, you can use 2 biscuits. So to do this right, we have to put glue the biscuits in and let that glue set up. Once it gets hard, we can find which biscuit is right and then cut the biscuit that is too much off so that it fits in.
This one is double biscuit. I already glued together and put in like this. And this one also, I have double biscuit like this. And, oh. It is double. It also double. This one is different. Just put one stick in there. I got sick already.
We're going to use what they call a biscuit cutter. And what this does, it cuts slits in the wood where you will glue this and stick it in, and then you'll cut another, and then these fit together.